Oh my God.
That's a 20.
We did it. Yeah.
All right, so we've been playing strip fishing.
I'm losing.
Chet just lost again, so he's got to take off another layer of clothes. And the worst part, he's down to where he's got to fish like this too. So,
All right.
and just so you guys know, it's not a warm summer day. Here's my friend Joe here.
All right.
So I'm guessing this is not going well for my friend
Not
Chet.
going well. All right. You ready?
Oh! Folks, we're talking 44 degree water right here. 44, 45 degree water.
3 minutes. Nope. Woo! Woo! That'll get you high.
Awesome.
Ready? All right. You got him.
Nice! Aren't you guys glad you got off the couch today?